everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Very good evening, John. Very good evening. Very good evening. Good to see you all. Great. Fantastic. So, how was it? I mean, doing this object drawing. How was anything which you would like to share?
Not easy, sir.
Not at all easy, huh?
Not at all.
Yes, easy नहीं तो लगा तो हो जाएगा but
ऐसा क्या लगा कि हो जाएगा लेकिन नहीं हुआ, ऐसा क्या था उसमें? सॉरी।
तो जब आप समझाए तो वैसे लगा था सब समझ में आ गया, बट जब बनाने बैठे ना लाइक बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं है इस तरह की ड्राइंग का, जैसे फैशन के बैकग्राउंड से स्टिल बनाए तो है। अब आप बताएंगे सही कि नहीं।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। लेकिन आपको एक वो पता लगा इसका जो पैटर्न है और जो फंडामेंटल्स है वो क्लियर हुआ आपको?
तो वो हुआ, बट जो जैसे नीचे से चालू करते हो गया, जो ऊपर अगर जैसे बॉक्स वगैरह होता है, ऊपर जो शेप होता है उसमें बॉक्स कैसे क्रिएट करना, उसमें मेरे को थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हुआ था, इसलिए मैं सारे आइसोमेट्रिक तो नहीं बना पाया, बट आई ट्राइड।
चलो देखते हैं, उसे कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे। तो आई थिंक वी शुड बी डूइंग समथिंग। मैं थोड़ा सा एक काम करूंगा। सबसे पहले वी विल डू वन क्विक सॉर्ट ऑफ, एक मेरी तरफ से एक थोड़ा सा ज्ञानवर्धक चीजें आएंगी, ठीक है, करेक्ट? और आप पहले उसे देख लीजिए, वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट। उसके बाद फिर जो बात का टाइम है ना, उसमें हम वी विल टेक दी फीडबैक्स और जो भी आपका है, नहीं तो क्या होता है पूरा टाइम उसमें चला जाएगा। तो एटलीस्ट लेट मी फिनिश दैट, उसके बाद फिर उस पे जाते हैं, ठीक है? इज दैट फाइन?
या इट्स फाइन।
ठीक है ना, चलो ग्रेट। Just let me know when you can see my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you think? They would be, I mean, do you think what kind of topic will be covered today? Any idea?
On golden ratio, I think.
Natural textures.
Textures.
Natural textures.
And
geometry, nature, Fibonacci spiral.
who is this? Who has spoken this?
I'm Swastika, sir. Good evening.
Okay. Very good evening, Swastika. Okay, so you're very much right. So basically, no golden ratio, nothing. That's, I don't even want to talk about it. It's already there. Everyone knows it. Okay. Or today I'm just going to talk about the nature is the teacher. How many do you agree with me on this point?
Agree.
I do.
Yes.
Agree, sir.
Yeah. Nature is the actual teacher. You know, I keep talking about this to everyone. I mean, whenever we are having some talks and all. So I say that we are not inventing anything actually. Okay, if we talk about the form or some kind of a phenomena or something, so everything has already been existing in the nature. We are just picking it up. We are modifying it, and we are using it or recycling it, or maybe what we can say, or rather, I would say that we are just a moment, please. Okay. So what we do usually, we are recycling it, we are modifying it, or what we are doing, we are discovering it. All the phenomena, they are already there, existing in the nature. That's what my take is. And it is in the all sphere of life, and we are full of geometries everywhere. So I showed you an object which you need to draw, right? So it is a man-made object, correct? But today I will be telling you that you are everywhere. Arti, can you just, please, correct. So if you see your nature, it is full of geometry all over. It's commonly used everywhere, and it is the subject which is used everywhere, whether it's a golden spiral, ratio, whatever you name it, fractals, textures, everything is there. Every damn thing is there. Okay. So nature is a teacher, and as I delivered the statement, and it has got all the forms, shape already existing in the nature. We are just exploring the same. We are not inventing anything new. Just we are picking it up and snap-fitting it up to the necessary requirement wherever it is. That's what. Now, if you see the nature around, which is on the larger aspect, which is on the macro level, then you can see these kind of things being produced. Can you see that? Everywhere you get to see some kind of a geometry, right? Okay. Then if you see, if you go to a little micro level, there also from macro to micro, both the level, there is geometry everywhere. You talk about the galaxy, that is also having some geometrical pattern. Cosmos, that is also having a geometrical pattern. Talk about the sky, again, Earth, flora, fauna, you name it, everywhere there is a nature and geometric nature. Agree with me? Okay. So what is happening here? All these, there's some kind of geometry which is getting formed. A very stark geometry. So let's have a small quick video. If this can be, just a minute. You might not be able to hear my video. Just can you hear the sound as well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can.
Great, fantastic. Saw that video, did you? I mean, it was a kind of very well summarized, all what we see in the nature. Everywhere we are having the geometry, right? Okay, so now go to the next one. So what do we have? If I say we are having largely, there are some 5 different kind of patterns in the nature. Okay? When I'm talking about the pattern, means there are some geometric patterns. So there are 5 of them. If I just name them, okay, so it is a spiral, meander, okay, mender or meander, whatever it is called, okay, meander, I guess, mender, which is complicated, or it is more like a maze kind of a thing, it's more complicated. Then explosion, packaging, and the branching. These are the different kind of geometries geometrical pattern which you get to see in the nature. Okay, and then we choose to explore which one we want to work upon as per our requirement. So we have this spiral geometry, the very first one. And if you see, hi, are you there, people with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because
Yes,
I'm
yes.
you need to, because I'm only seeing my screen, so you need to say yes or no. I mean something so that I get some kind of feedback that I'm not just talking in the air. Okay. So spiral in this we have got golden ratio and spiral ratio which we talk about. Okay, how beautifully it gets emerged as a pattern in the nature. Then we have the chameleon's tail, how it is again following as a spiral ratio. Okay, that golden rectangle. Then again, we are having some spiral going out. So what is happening? Everywhere you get to see the spiral, right? So this is one pattern which gets formed in the geometry, somewhere or the other. Okay? Then we have got this Mendel geometry. Mendel geometry it's very confusing kind of a geometry. It is a geometry. It has got a pattern, very much pattern, but it is something like a chaotic kind of pattern, an organized chaos. You can say like that. When I'm saying organized chaos, you really do not get to figure out where it is, I mean, how you should shape it up. But yes, definitely it becomes a part of geometry, that it forms a pattern. So if you see on the top, this is a pattern, okay? After 100 years from now, this will not be the same pattern. It will be a different pattern because it changes its location. Similarly here, similarly on the desert, which the plateaus and all those kind of patterns which you get to see after the strong wind. Then there is one called the explosion geometry, okay, which you get to see in the nature. Which means, I mean, definitely no one would like to have this, this particular explosion. But yeah, this glass is breaking. That is one explosion. Then one droplet falls onto the floor, and then it just spills over. So if you see it from the micro level or the microscopic view of the same, it forms a different, a kind of a shape, very interesting shape it forms. Similarly, milk putting onto the floor, that is again. Then there are various patterns which you get to see, in the explosion. But definitely, it is again a kind of a, and there is a possibility that all these explosions will not be repeated. Okay, they will always be the individual in nature. Okay, so there was one very interesting. There was a very interesting study which people had done. What they did, like they had one sheet. Okay, they had one sheet, and on the sheet. So on the sheet, what they did, metal sheet, some people who are into the experiment and all. So they had put some sand, okay, and it was kept in the center. It was just sparkled over on the sheet, and then this was it was connected with a sound. Okay, so while it was connected with the sound, and there was a different decibels which were planted. Okay, so at 1 decibel, when the sound was produced, so this the sand which was on top of this metal sheet, it started taking some kind of a form. Okay, it was making a pattern. Okay, then it was put onto the 2nd decibel, and again it was not the same pattern. It was a different pattern altogether now. On 3rd one, the same. So basically every sound was producing a different pattern. So that was also a very good correlation between the sound and the geometry, how it takes place. So everything, flora, fauna, your wind, sound, everything somewhere or the other correlated, some either passively or actively, they will be impacting each other in their pattern, in their geometry. Okay. Then the packaging geometry. What is packaging geometry? As the name itself suggests, these are like packed. So it will be having like a lattice structure, okay, where it is, I mean, it is closely knitted, closely packed, kind of a compact pattern. Okay, so that is called the packaging geometry. You can see it in the soap bubble, like how the formation happens, or the best is your honeybee, which is there, or the bee eye. You get to see all these small, like a maze kind of a pattern which you get to see. So it's closely packed, all of them. So that's the packaging geometry. Definitely, it produces some kind of a pattern, okay, and it is a repetitive one mostly. Then branching geometry is another one. Branching, as the name is itself suggesting, that what happens? There will be a base. It gets branched out. Then one tip, probably that becomes again a base, and from there it will branch out. Then again it will branch out. So it is like a fractal as well. So that is also branching geometry. So trees, or if you take the leaf and just dry it under inside your, just dry it, and the dried leaf will have that nerves and this veins kind of a thing which is going. So that is also a branching geometry. Okay. So these are the geometries which we get to see in our nature. Okay, and as I said, that everything, even if you see the mountain, why these mountains are having a particular kind of geometry? Why? Mountains you always will find in a triangular, in a pyramid shape. You will never see as an inverted pyramid or inverted shape, right? The reason is what? What possibly could be the reason? I will just give you an example. If you take the heap of sand in your hand like this and you just pour it underneath, right? And naturally when it falls down, it will be taking what kind of a shape? Surely it will be taking a pyramid kind of a shape, a triangular shape, right? Why? Any reason? Please answer someone. Why?
Gravity, balance, streamlining through cutting water.
Okay, anything else?
Gravitation. There is gravitation because of everything goes down. Gravitation goes. So
Land collisions.
Heavy weight will be at the lower side. Maybe that.
Vijay, you want to say something?
Yeah, I heard somewhere, sir, कि जब लैंड ऐसे सी में कोलाइड करते हैं दो, तो बीच में माउंटेन मतलब बन जाते हैं. जैसे जो अपना जो हिमालय पर्वत है, वो भी गोल्डाना जो मतलब एक कॉन्टिनेंट था, वो जब टकराया मतलब चीन से, तो फिर वो बीच में mountain बन गया.
When the two heavy bodies they collide each other, it forms actually a triangular shape, and gravitational force की वजह से वो जो mass maximum होता है वो नीचे आ जाता है. Maybe.
Sure. Anything else?
सर उसका बेस ब्रॉड होने के कारण और टॉप थोड़ा नैरो फॉर्म होता है, तो बेस ब्रॉड होने के कारण वो अच्छे से स्टैंड हो पाता है, सस्टेन हो पाता है.
ठीक है. कुछ और इसके अलावा? Anything else? Misha, anything from your side?
So just a kind of a prediction. It can be because of the direction of the winds.
Okay, fine. Anything else? Kavita, Misha, Swarnima, you want to share something? Something which is not going to be repetitive. Okay, anyways, I will just take you through some. See what happens. Let me talk to Vijay first. Okay, Vijay, what you're given the theory. Okay, fine, fair enough. बिल्कुल होगा जरूर होगा, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं. ठीक है.
मैंने देखा सर, वो जो एक न्यूज़ है साइंसकारी नाम से आता है, ललन टॉप में साइंसकारी, जो कि IITian है कोई, वो मतलब इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, तो वो न्यूज़ देते हैं। तो वो बोले कि जब अर्थ जो फॉर्म हुआ तो मतलब जो जितने भी कॉन्टिनेंट्स थे वो सब मतलब ऐसे स्प्रेड होने लगे और एक दूसरे से टकराने लगे, और जहाँ जहाँ जो मतलब लैंड फ्लोट होके टकराया एक दूसरे से, तो वहाँ वहाँ माउंटेन मतलब क्रिएट हो गया, बन गया। और अभी भी ऐसा हो रहा है, मतलब बहुत कई मतलब 100 सालों और ऐसे सालों में मतलब धीरे धीरे हम लोग मतलब क्लोज आते जा रहे हैं, और वो माउंटेन का हाइट जो है बढ़ता जा रहा है, कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, द माउंटेन्स आर कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग।
इंक्रीज हो रहा है क्योंकि हमारा वाटर लेवल नीचे जा रहा है।
ये भी एक रीजन, हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है, ये
पता
भी
नहीं, सॉरी ये बढ़ रहा है, सॉरी बढ़ रहा है। अब क्या है, मैं आपको 2-3 चीज बताऊं, सब कुछ भी हो सकता है, मुझे अभी तक कुछ नहीं पता, मैं आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग राइट।
yes,
ओके, ठीक है, दैट IIT guy he is doing his research, okay, he has got his own reasons, but मैं एक छोटा सा एक रीजन करता हूँ, ठीक है। मेरा एक छोटा सा एक रीजन है, मैं ये मान के चल रहा हूँ कि बहुत पहले की एक थ्योरी है, बहुत पहले, करोड़ों साल पहले। यू रिमेम्बर मैंने क्या बताया था, वो हमारा स्टोन एज वाला टाइम था, याद? आई टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट।
yes,
उससे भी पहले की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वे बैक, ठीक है। वो
prehistoric,
वे बैक तब है व्हेन देयर वाज नो एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ अ ह्यूमन, मतलब जो जैसे हम है, होमो सेपियंस जो है ना, वी आर द इवॉल्व्ड होमो सेपियंस, वी वर नॉट देयर, और ये सिर्फ पानी था, ठीक है ना। भाई पानी से तो निकले, हमारा जो जीवन जो निकला है वो पानी से निकला है, ठीक है। ऐसा बोला जाता है, पता नहीं, ऐसे कहते हैं कि बहुत बड़ा एक उल्का पिंड आया था। व्हाट इज उल्का पिंड? द meteor I'm talking about, okay.
meteorite,
There was a huge meteor who struck to our earth, okay. Because meteor is what, it's a very dense, I mean at least 10, 15, 20 times or maybe 100 times denser than the earth, okay, a piece of rock. When I'm saying the rock is not that rock which you can see, it is something which is beyond your vision, it's like that big rock, okay. But in comparison of earth, it is a little smaller. So we are having so many rocks all around in our galaxy, okay. So one of them came and collided with our earth, and when it collided, so what happened, there was like it is like a tsunami which had happened there, some water somewhere, and due to the disturbance, what had happened, 2-3 things. Wherever there was a water, it got formed into the land. Wherever there was a land and little depression was there, it got into the water. And wherever there were like volcanoes, which were like very volatile kinds, they got erupted, and everything got haywire. Right? Till here it's clear. Now, when the this volcano eruption had happened, okay, so lava came out and it formed like this. But why like this only? Why it was in this shape? Why not something like a, like, you know, what could be the reason? Now, as Artiman says that there was a base and it got to be big, and there was a smaller Morley on the top. Okay. So that's how the formation is bound to be like this. Okay, due to the gravitational force. Okay. Now there is another theory which I will be telling you today, that because in the nature, the strongest geometric figure, again I'm repeating that, the strongest geometric figure happens to be the triangular shape. Triangle is the strongest geometry. There is a base, there is a height, and there is a side. That is the reason you put it like this, okay, and it falls down. And it takes the stable shape, because the stability happens maximum in the triangular shape. What is pyramid? Pyramid is actually what? Pyramid is basically 3 triangles put together, or 4 triangles put together. Pyramid, right? So again, what is happening? It's a closely packed. You take the marble, okay, put it in a box, then you will see that the void which is in between, okay, the space which comes in between, it is in what? It is the formation of triangle only. Many triangles put together. Getting my point? So the smallest And the toughest unit happens to be, or smallest and the most stable unit happens to be the triangle. Simple example again I will give you. You take the straw, take two ends and insert within each other. The smallest unit which you get out of it, the closely packed, is the triangle. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So precisely the same thing which I'm trying to correlate out here, the geometry plays its own shape, role in the nature. Everywhere. That's what I told you. Nature is a teacher. It actually gives us the structural engineering came from where? Structural engineering came from the nature only. In Japan, people, they were trying to, while they were doing the bullet train, you remember bullet train? It was like in Japan. So there is a nice video I will share with you. I'll give you the link of it. Maybe you can check yourself on the YouTube. So what had happened, these people, they made a train which was going at the speed of around 600, 800 kilometers per hour. Okay, so it is like speediest train kinds, which is really, really speedy. Now when it just passes through, when it just passed through one tunnel, what had happened, there were a lot of problems which were happening. Engineers, they were called. All the structural engineers, scientists, all these people were called. The problem was that it was so bloody noisy that it will just erupt all your eardrums. It was so noisy, number one. Second was that it was having so much of impact of the air because it was pushing the air, so it was impacting the wall of the tunnel. And with this frequency, this tunnel could have been collapsed anytime. Okay. So now what happened? These people, they came together. So they studied two animals, specifically two of them. One was the shark. Shark has always been a favorite of mine, and I'm sure a lot of other people's, because this is the most beautiful fish one can ever see. Okay. Shark was one which they figured out. Second was kingfisher. Kingfisher, that bird. Okay. So these two, they studied. And they figured out how the snout of the shark and how the beak of the kingfisher, how it has been designed. When they calculated the angle, they calculated everything. So they said that in the nature, it is so beautifully it has been done. Kingfisher, what it does, it goes up there in the water and just jumps inside, plunges himself into the water and picks up the what? Fish. Okay, Aarti, you want to say Aarti S? You want to say something? I thought you were saying that no, it is not right. Okay. Okay. So what happened? Just plunges into the water. Imagine fraction of second. I do not know what fraction of that second would be. Maybe 100th, maybe 80th, or whatever. Little lesser than that, he will skip his meal. Can you see the precision? Okay. Shark, when it comes to its prey does not even know when shark had reached there. So much of volume, but still shark so smoothly comes, prey doesn't even know how it has happened. There's someone that has, so something is actually cutting through very sharply, nicely. And with the aerodynamic, all the air and all the water is getting passed at the back. It is just one point. And that precisely which has happened, which was integrated in the bullet train. Otherwise, bullet train were exactly like the way we are having our train in the front. It's flat. No, it wasn't. Earlier when it was made, it was a flat. Then later on, the bullet train has got the snout, long snout in the front, and it's very pointed. Got it? It worked just an amazingly. Amazingly, it worked out. Okay, this entire experiment. Not only the efficiency got increased, speed got increased, efficiency got increased, okay, of the electricity, which was whatever the fuel electricity that on which it was going on, it was running. Third, hardly there was a sound, any sound. There was no sound at all. There was no sound at all, and no zero impact or very minimal impact, almost negligible impact on the tunnel outside, on the wall. So what has happened? What have we done so far? We picked it up from where? We picked it up from the nature, integrated in our life, right? You must have seen during the some showrooms and all. You must, I don't know whether you noticed or not. These heavy glasses, which are like 12 mm thick glasses, okay, big glasses. People, what do they hold these glasses with? They have this something like a suction kind of a thing. They suck it, okay, put it onto the glass, and they 2 people, 4 people, they just, this 10 feet, 8 feet high glass, they shift it here and there. Have you noticed it? Mixie, under the mixie, we are having these suctions stuck onto the floor, right? Where it has come from? Lizard? Lizard is the one? ठीक है ना? Lizard is the one?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so talk about number of things. Just name it. There are a number of, forget about it. If you go to Mesopotamia time or Harappa or Mohenjo-daro, and that period, if I take you to, just check how these houses have been made. They are all lattice structure, small, tightly packed with each other. Where have they come from? Where have they been taken from? Probably the beehive, right? I will give you an example. I think I gave you earlier also. In 2001, I was at Ahmedabad, okay, and then this huge earthquake had happened, if you remember, right? So we all were there, and it was like on the Richter scale, it was about 8.5 or something. It was the hugest tremor. Really, it was such a big tremor that I was in my hostel, and I woke up and I saw the ceiling. My fan was banging all over, and I just opened my eyes. It was so strong. I opened my eyes. I woke up and I fell down because I could not balance my body. By the time I realized that there's something obnoxious happening, and I ran down, and I could see those slabs. They were like getting in front of me, coming out due to this tremor. It was like that severe. By the time I reached downstairs, all the students, they were there. I was also there, a number of people. And we realized कि यार ये तो by God, old Ahmedabad का क्या हुआ होगा? खत्म हो, वो तो बिल्कुल flat हो चुका होगा. That's what we thought. Our theory was. Paradoxically, what had happened? Absolutely paradoxical, which was absolutely opposite, which was that this old Ahmedabad, it was safe. Hardly there wasn't any casualty at all. Not only जान का नुकसान हुआ था, वो भी नहीं हुआ, माल का भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे. The reason, because all these old Ahmedabad, it is closely packed. छोटे-छोटे जो घर होते हैं ना, like just 1 floor, 2 floor maximum. So all these were tightly put together. However, the maximum impact had happened on the new Ahmedabad, which was like all the high rises, and they plunged onto each other like this. पूरा building का building ऐसे गिरा था. The whole entire structure, okay, 16 feet, 15 floor building just collapsed. So what has happened? I mean, whichever is the loosely it got impacted, which was closely fitted, it did not get impacted. So where did we pick it up from? It was from the packaging pattern, which we saw in the in our beehive. So there are a number of examples, not only just one, number of examples which we can talk about. Chameleon, it changes the color. And where did we pick this up for? We picked it up for our army dress, camouflage. In apparel, we use this, right?
Yes, sir.
So all these are what? All these are like picked up from the nature. That's what I always see. I mean, I always say that nature is a teacher. Okay. Anyone who wants to give me any example of the nature of a teacher? Nature is a teacher. Anything? Let's see. Let me hear from your side. I hope till here it's clear, like whatever I've said. Any question or anything?
Sir,
Any
one
talk?
example.
Yeah,
Sir,
please.
जैसे tree roots exactly apply for the foundations. Tree roots जितने bottom में strong होंगे and broad होंगे, उतना ही tree उतना strong होता है over the ground. Same with the foundation. कि जितना उसका foundation properly नीचे रहेगा ground के और broad रहेगा and deep रहेगा, उतना ही वो building ऊपर above the ground strong रहेगी.
Okay, Shilpa, you are an architect, right? Who's someone is architect out here?
Ethel is an architect.
Ethel, okay. Ethel, where is Ethel? Ethel, can I see your face, please? Where is Ethel? Is she around?
She told me she's there, but she's.
Acha, no worries.
I don't know.
Ethel, are you there? At least you can talk to me. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं ठीक है nevertheless इसमें क्या है हमारा फाउंडेशन का as you rightly said सारिका मैम फाउंडेशन ट्री मजबूत कब होता है जब उसका नीचे जड़ें गई होती है बहुत ज्यादा
Yes, sir.
इफ यू सी दैट हमारे में जो ये बिल्डिंग्स जो बन रही होती है ना कभी इसके फाउंडेशन को आप देखने की कोशिश करना हाउ इट इज if when it is getting excavated okay that time just try it is not just 4 pillars which are coming down in the basement it is all these 4 they are tied together also in the crisscross manner not only just about the periphery but in the crisscross manner inside and there is level above also there is a crisscross
Yes, sir. Beam with the beam.
Beams and the crisscross not only just beams which are like straight around the periphery but crisscross also like this okay. Why this is the reason because it is again the same branch this root more it is in the contact of the soil and more it is deep so अगर आपका बोलते हैं कि दो माले की बिल्डिंग है तो एक माले की उसमें नीचे एक से 1.5 माले का उसमें नीचे वो पड़ा होता है फाउंडेशन मतलब ये फाउंडेशन ओके so actually it gets excavated so much and it put it down so that it can hold it very strongly
Yes.
ठीक है anything else you want to give me answer of anything else ऐसा ही कोई और example
Even the color schemes, you can get beautiful color schemes from the nature.
yes of course yes where do you see that color scheme
Flowers,
butterflies बिल्कुल सही है flowers butterflies birds absolutely बिल्कुल सही है absolutely but at the same time if I say this is see these are the pattern the way these colors have been laid down okay they have been laid down onto the butterfly but where did the color come from Vibgyor can I say the Vibgyor where you got the palette a color palette
yes
then we further refined it okay and we talked about 256 colors you know from 12 to 24 then whatever number and 256 like then we just did the subdivision of the colors but the core color and the parental color was where in the Vibgyor itself or if I say what there's a strong color palette of blue then there's a green and then there's a blue okay, which is sky then there was a green going and then the blue sea or whatever water is coming so there are three colors which were there with pure again so we picked them up and put it in our design creations
I have something like it can be something like the hierarchy chart that what we follow. That can be taken inspiration from the mountains, or it can be from the pyramid. So the hierarchy chart what we follow.
Yes, I absolutely go with your words. Yeah, of course. I will go with your words.
And so, what about tessellation interlocking, the package, tessellation art, and maybe interlocked floor? You have interlocking on the floor, so.
Where did you get that from? Again,
Tessellation. Yes, it is from nature.
So we just picked it up from the nature because it is tessellation has come from where? I will say it's a fractal is another tessellation. Can I say? But only the difference in the tessellation would be tessellation more or less. Yeah, it is the same kind of a pattern which gets repeated. Yeah. However, in the fractal, it is the proportion wise it increases, but the geometry remains the same. Okay, so that's what. But yeah, you have the valid this thing point. We picked it up from the nature itself. This tessellation. Tessellation is what? This hexagonal tessellation is beehive only.
Beehive, yes.
Correct. And hexagon is what? It is made up of 6 triangles. So the smallest unit happens to be what? Triangle. So everywhere you will get to see the triangle is the smallest and the strongest unit. Simple. I gave you the best example. You take the straw, put both the insert ends with each other. The smallest which you get unit would be the triangle, nothing else. So it summarizes the entire.
In the symmetrical patterns, warm and cool colors, all these things are from nature. Symmetrical patterns also we have derived from nature. Many forms are there. Warm and cool colors, tropical colors, they are all from nature. Then even textures, the sound textures, the tactile textures, they all are very vast in nature actually.
Yes, of course. Oh, yes. In fact, you talk about this. I mean, we have picked up so much from the animals. We actually have picked up a number of things from the animals, which we integrated in our technology, which we integrated in a bat. Bat has been such an amazing animal to. Anyway, not that. ठीक है, study के लिए सही है, वैसे मुझे पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है. Especially during the corona, तो फिर बिल्कुल ही रह गया, ठीक है. So. Bat basically,
sir,
yeah.
One more example, can I get?
Yeah, please, Aarti.
Sir, a spider web, we can count it like a nature's technique, what he has built, and I can relate it to fashion in knitting. Like, we try to knit in some way like that, the embroidery stuff, which is, like natural, and we try to incorporate it in a fashion point of view, like that. Best example in the nature thing.
Tailor bird?
When we do knitting and all with the woolen threads and all, it starts from the central part as a connection and then goes like the spider, जैसे spider web अपना बनाता है, it's same connection starting from one point and going into a circular form at the end. So I can relate that to the fashion in that sense.
Something called दर्जन चिड़िया, इसका हिंदी में नाम होता है दर्जन चिड़िया और इसे इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं टेलर बर्ड.
Okay.
दर्जन इस दर्जी से बना है दर्जन, ठीक है. दर्जन चिड़िया also called the टेलर बर्ड. पता है इसके बारे में? Tailor bird has got a very specific, unique quality. I think the most beautiful quality it has got. एक photographer ने, he had spent all his life almost, पता नहीं कितने टाइम में उसे एक shot मिला उसको. And which shot was bought by the National Geographic. Some millions of dollars got was कितना million उसको दिया just to take that shot. वो शायद आया था. I think it was on the Facebook पे बहुत float किया था वाला. It was beautiful. That one, this Tailor bird, how she makes her nest. एक वो बया का घोंसला भी होता है, देखा आपने? जो उल्टा लटका रहता है. That is also making, right? तो वो सब कर रहे होते हैं. तो ये उसने क्या, what it does that टेलर बर्ड, वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. The way she does all this thing, कैसे उतना intricate बनाती है, and then on top of it she will put 2 leaves on top of it. She will make it as a camouflage so that crow and other kites and eagles and all, they don't attack on his babies. So she will camouflage it later on after making the nest. So it's very beautiful. I mean, nature has been my favorite. मेरे घर पे सिर्फ न्यूज़ चलता है, स्पोर्ट्स चलता है और National Geographic चलता है, that is it.
Sir, in fact, all the principles of design has been derived from nature.
Yes, absolutely.
Balance Phoenix का जो principle है, day and night balance करता है, rhythm, all the things. In fact, सब harmony, rhythm, everything, gradation, we have all derived from nature only.
Everything. More you get into it, more you will be surrounded with so many inspirations. So that's what it is. Okay. There is one senior of mine, my college, and very good friend of mine as well. His name is Neil Foley. Okay, Neil Foley. You will. I mean, he's quite an inspiring person for me as a senior, as a designer. I would rather say. Okay. He was a chief designer of Titan. Titan का जो है, and his elder
Aviator
brother was,
collection. Yes.
Yeah, correct. His brother, okay, yeah, his elder brother Michael Foley. Michael Foley. He had designed that Edge, the slimmest watch in the Edge. Okay, slimmest watch in the world. So these two brothers, okay, both of them, they always pick things. So they've got this thick portfolio of national, international design, awards, okay, which they keep on winning. So it is their habit of winning the design awards. Okay. So they always get inspired from the nature. You go to their website, check their portfolio, check their work. You will be amazed to see that everything they picked it up from the nature and they transformed into some kind of a collection or some kind of design.
So what's the name? Can you repeat?
Name is Michael Foley and the Neil Foley. Neil, Neil Foley. Foley. Okay. Foley design करके इनका अपना हुआ है, तो देख सकते हो. Michael Foley is having his own design firm, okay, which is Foley Design, and Neil का तो Neil Foley.
Neil Foley Design.
ठीक है, हाँ वो देख सकते हो आप, ठीक है. But वो बाद में देखना, फिलहाल अभी मत देखना, ठीक है, because it will be, then you will not be listening to me, you will be just looking at that only, because it's so mesmerizing, believe me, ठीक है. So anyways, so this is the one which is all about nature, and if I may sum up this by saying, I mean, from our cosmo world, okay, to the galaxy, to the atom, which is the smallest unit of anyone's existence, from that macro to the micro level, we are just surrounded by the geometry. So do we agree on this statement, all of us? ठीक है, चलो जी, अब इसके लिए अब एक असाइनमेंट लिखो जल्दी से, ठीक है. हाँ, don't worry, I will draft it also and give it to you, but still listen to the assignment first. Okay, what is it? Each of you would take one flower, फूल, ठीक है, FOOL वाला नहीं है, ठीक है, वो हिंदी वाला फूल की बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, फूल, ठीक है. तो एक फूल ले लीजिए, और if you have I don't know, if someone has got problem कि भाई मैं तो डेजर्ट पे रहता हूँ, तो वो अपना एक कुछ कटीली झाड़ियाँ ले ले तो कोई बात नहीं, that's okay, ठीक है. But I believe all of us, we are staying in those places where we can find something or the other flower, कोई भी. कॉलीफ्लावर मत ले लेना, ठीक है. एक फ्लावर लेंगे, उस फ्लावर को करेंगे स्टडी. क्या स्टडी करेंगे उसमें?
टाइप ऑफ ज्योमेट्री.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. और ज्योमेट्री में भी क्या क्या है?
Shape, cross section,
पैकेजिंग ऑफ पेटल्स,
शेप.
ठीक है, गुड. सारा करो, उसके अंदर जितना भी कर सकते हो, उसको काटना है, तोड़ना है, मोड़ना है, ऊपर से, नीचे से, आगे से, पीछे से, अंदर घुस के, जो आप करना चाहो. Everything is with you, okay? All the dimensions I am giving you. पेपर के ऊपर रखो उसे, ठीक है. उसे क्या करोगे आप? Just make the geometry of it. Okay. I don't know if you will be able to take it to the isometric geometry. I'm not sure. But at least मेरे को orthographic तो आप दिखाई देना इसका, ये तो इजी होगा ऑर्थोग्राफी।
Orthography fashion.
Pratibha, I can't hear you. What are you saying?
Sandra is trying to say
I said
ऑर्थोग्राफी से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, इसलिए हम फूल का ऑर्थोग्राफी नहीं बनाएंगे, ऐसा है सेंटर?
प्रतिभा आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं सुनाई दे रही।
Your connection is quite shaky, सेंड्रा आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
एंड प्रतिभा ये तो बेटा कौन बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं सेंड्रा ही बात कर रहे हैं, प्रतिभा तो म्यूट पे है। प्रतिभा उनसे थोड़ा सिंपैथी रख रही है क्योंकि उनको भी सेम प्रॉब्लम है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
नहीं मैम, मेरे को सिर्फ यही पूछना था सर, उसके सारे एंगल्स बनाने हैं, टॉप व्यू, साइड व्यू, ऑल द थिंग।
जब मैंने ऑर्थोग्राफी बोला है तो तीन तो है।
My connection is bad. Can you hear me?
No, Sandra
I can do
cannot.
the orthography. Hello, I can do the orthography drawing, sir, but isometric drawing is a little bit difficult. Isometry is difficult. Orthography is fine.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। That's what I said. That's what I said. कि ऑर्थोग्राफी में मुझे को लग रहा है इजी होगा, तो आइसोमेट्रिक में मत करो, एटलीस्ट ऑर्थोग्राफी आप मेरे को जरूर दिखा दो, ठीक है?
सर आपने जो स्केल दिया है ना, वो ग्रिड दिया है ना, that's very
हेल्पफुल है, ठीक है, ग्रेट। आप करो, उसे यूज करो, ठीक है?
very helpful.
ग्रेट, फैंटास्टिक। आप उसे यूज कीजिए, स्केल अप कीजिए, ठीक है? नॉट दैट इतना सा अगर फ्लावर अगर आपका इतना सा है तो आप उसको उतना ही बना रहे हैं, तो फॉर गॉड सेक आप वो मत कीजिएगा। If you are having this much of which is 1 inch का flower, okay, half an inch का flower, so please scale it up to that level that I can see the entire sheet, you know? ठीक है, तो उसमें इतना बड़ा दिखना चाहिए। Scale it up because you already have the grid, so you make that.
Yes.
Okay, so we call it as a flower morphology. Morphology, ठीक है? I should not have given this name because then straight Google पे चले जाओगे आप लोग और YouTube पे चले जाओगे, but still कोई बात नहीं। I will मैं ये मान के चलता हूँ कि आप सब लोग बहुत शरीफ लोग हो, ठीक है? और मेरे साथ कोई चीटिंग नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग खुद ही करें, ठीक है? 2 दिन के लिए भूल जाए गूगल देवता को, ठीक है? और आप कीजिए इससे। बी वेरी जेन्युइन, जितना आप कर सकते हैं मैक्सिमम, आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी, ओके? जितना आप कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे करने के, एंड यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स, क्या क्या बन रहा है इसमें पैटर्न। कुछ गलत है, कुछ सही नहीं है, फॉरगेट अबाउट इट, दैट्स द लास्ट थिंग फॉर यू टू थिंक अबाउट, ठीक है? जो आपके दिल में आता है, जो दिख रहा है आपको, पुट इट डाउन एंड देन वी विल टेक इट फॉरवर्ड, ठीक है? फ्रॉम देयर नेक्स्ट हमारा जो क्लास होगी दैट विल बी ओनली ऑन द फीडबैक ऑफ दिस फ्लावर मॉर्फोलॉजी। कुछ उसमें नया नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ यही होगा, लेकिन मेक श्योर दैट यू आर डूइंग इट, ठीक है? ठीक है, जॉन डन?
Yes, sir.
Great, fantastic. ठीक है, अक्षय डन है?
Yes, sir.
Great. विजय?
Yes, sir. I'll do.
Fantastic. Great. Fantastic. Fantastic. ठीक है, मिशा?
Yes, sir.
डन है? होगा?
Yes.
ठीक है। कोई गोभी का फूल मत लगा देना, वैसे लगाना चाहो तो वो भी लगा सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई इश्यू नहीं है। एज एन एक्सप्लोरेशन लगा देना। ठीक है, शिल्पा, ऑल इज अंडरस्टूड, ऑल कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव? ग्रेट। थोड़ा मुस्कुराया करो भाई, तो सीरियस लाइक ऐसा थोड़ा होगा, हाँ? सीरियस रहती हो, ठीक है, ग्रेट। हाँ, अब एक काम करेंगे, आइए, आओ चलो बात करते हैं। निकालो अपने अपने ऑब्जेक्ट्स की ड्राइंग। बहुत मजाक हो गया।
मजाक तो भी होना है। ऐसे कैसे बोला आपने?
ऐसे कैसे बोला? अभी तो होगा। चलो भाई, निकालो सारे लोग। तो कैसे करेंगे जसवीन? आप
I will call out the names.
आप ही मॉडरेटर।
उल्टा शुरू करेंगे। We'll start from the bottom up. I don't think we have.
Hello?
No, I don't think so.
जसवीन एक काम करे, हर बार हम टॉप टू बॉटम जाते हैं, तो इस बार बॉटम टू टॉप करते हैं। उनको भी
बॉटम टू टॉप पे जा रही हूँ।
अच्छा
Sir,
ठीक है
last
great.
time we bottom to top था. I was the last person.
वो ऊपर से नीचे आए हैं, सो अभी 2 बार तो हम नीचे से ऊपर को जाएंगे ना.
नेक्स्ट टाइम मिडिल से ऐसे करेंगे, एक बार राइट एक बार लेफ्ट, ठीक है?
मिडिल वालों को मजा है, वहीं बैठे रहते हैं. Okay, so we start with Harleen then. Harleen, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
You have your work?
Good evening, ma'am. No, ma'am, I hadn't attended my last lecture. I just saw the video on YouTube right now before this class. So I'll complete my assignment next week. I was out of station, so I couldn't attend.
Okay. So then, Ipshita.
Harleen, is it possible for you, Harleen, you as a case specific, you as a case specific, okay?
Yeah.
If in the next class, right in the beginning, I will take you, okay, for this particular exercise, okay?
Okay.
And we'll quickly finish it off.
Okay, no problem, sir. Thank you so much for that.
ठीक है, उसको इसको देख लें, because क्या होता है ना, इस बार नहीं तो फिर वो next exercise होती है, and पुराना वाले में फिर रात गई बात गई वाली बात हो जाती है, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है. Thank you so much for that.
ठीक है, तो आप उसको देख लें, okay? Next.
Yes, sir. I'll share my screen.
Who's this? Yes, Ipshita. Okay. Ipshita, plan. Okay. ठीक है. करते हुए बात करते हैं इसके ऊपर, ठीक है? अभी आप वो दिखा रहे हो मेरे को, if I'm not wrong, Ipshita, that I give you the plan view and basis on that you are making your product, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. ठीक है, done. Next. ये थोड़ा सा problematic है. You will not see the top like this. No, if you are having a truncation, it always comes as an ellipse. Remember that.
Okay. Plan में ellipse नहीं आएगा? क्या आएगा? I don't think so.
I also don't think so. I feel circle ही आएगा.
Check करना एक बार. Check करना.
I don't think कि ellipse आएगा.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अब चलिए. Anyway, next कीजिए.